The old War Office was a magnificent refurbishment of Winston Churchill's headquarters during the Second World War. The sensitive restoration of this Grade II historic building includes a 125-room world-class Raffles Hotel and 85 luxury residences. Ryno's involvement in the scheme was providing the paving and the substructure to the centre triangle courtyard and the penthouse roof terraces. The triangle courtyard was finished with the Ryno Quadro porcelain range and supported on the TerraSmart rail system. The TerraSmart rail system uses a double lattice structure in order to provide superior support to the pavers, even around the complex curves of the planters. On the penthouse terraces, this boasts a 40mm natural limestone, which is also supported onto the TerraSmart rail system. The design and detailing of the build-ups from concept to completion has been brilliant. Ryno's worked very closely with the gardeners in order to ensure that the rail layout and the build-ups were correct before we even got onto site. Now to come to site and to see the results like this, they really just speak for themselves. Knowing and understanding the coordination that's gone into this whole project, and now to see it looking so fantastic has really been a huge reward.